Greetings and welcome back to the mat. This is Yoga Taught by Taylor. Today we're going to have some fun with balancing postures. So meet me in a standing posture, toes pointing forward. We're going to get grounded with the feet. Bring your hands to heart center. And we're going to inhale up onto our tippy toes. As high as you can go, belly button back, relax the shoulders down and back. Welcome to your practice. Welcome to the body. We're going to sink back into the heels and lift the toes. And then we'll inhale up onto the tippy toes. Inhale, rise, take the arms up and out. Reaching out. Exhale, sit down and back into chair pose. Lift the toes, sink into the heels. Let's take a twist. Right elbow to your left knee. Hook it on, press through your palms, gaze over your shoulder. Sink your hips, lift your toes. Inhale through center. Exhale, twist. Switch it out. This is a full body experience, practice. So taking time to notice every part, we'll come back to center. Inhale, rise, take it up. Exhale. Back down into the feet. We're going to start our practice with some large mindful circles on the right side. Shifting your weight up to your left foot, sink in. We'll send our right toes forward. We're going to point and flex. Again, showing the feet and ankles a little time and attention. So essential to our balance. Meet me back and point. We'll inhale, open. Exhale, pull it around. Inhale. Exhale. Take your time. Staying present for your practice. Notice where your mind goes. And we'll exhale. This time, press into your heel. We'll bend at the knees, send it behind you. Bring it around. Inhale. Exhale. Remember, this is a practice. Honor your body. And let go of any judgment. Last round. We'll release it all the way down. We'll switch it out. Root down through the right foot. Left toes forward. We're going to point and flex. Meet me back in point. Relax the shoulders, relax the breath. We'll inhale, open. Exhale, pull it around. Inhale, open. Exhale, pull it through. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Shift your weight into your heel. Pressing out, we'll send it behind us. And open up. Two more. Last one. And we'll release. Shake it out, let it go. Coming back to center, we'll find a standing twist. Shifting your weight over to your left foot. Let your left hand grab a hold of the arch of the right. We'll send the right arm behind us, pressing out through the heel. Gaze to the side. Finding your focus, finding your breath. Gently release, taking the arms up and out. We'll switch it out. Shift your weight over to the right. Grab a hold of the left. I'm sending the arm out behind me and then pressing out through the left heel. Gaze out to the side. Take both arms up. Exhale, let it go. Let's continue to play. Notice how we feel in our postures in these different shapes. We'll come into dancer pose. Again, shifting the weight over to the left. This time, bringing my hand to the inside of the right foot. Left hand comes up. This right here may be enough, but if you want to try its fullest expression, you'll lean forward, kicking the feet into the hand, opening up through the heart, through the shoulder. Inhale, rise. Exhale, down. And we'll switch. We'll switch it out, rooting down through the right foot. Grabbing the inside of the left, right arm up. And we'll lean into it. Kicking open, reaching out. Finding that ease and grace. And we'll inhale. And exhale. Rolling out the shoulders. Taking a few deep breaths. Rolling the shoulders in the opposite direction. We'll come back to center. I want you to step your right foot behind your left. Plant your feet down. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Left grabs a hold of the right. We're going to invite the right arm over to the left. Takes a bit of balance. Opening up through the side body, lean into it. We'll inhale. And exhale. Back to center. Switch it out. Left foot back, plant the feet. Inhale, sweep it up. Right grabs a hold of the left. I'm going to invite it over to the right. Gaze to the left. Back to center. Exhale down. We'll do one more challenging posture before we close our practice. Birds of paradise. So you're going to root down with your right foot, pressing up onto the left tippy toes. I'm going to take my left arm down and around, grabbing a hold of the right. Interlacing the hands, and when you're ready, you gently take off, lifting the toes, Lifting your gaze, coming all the way up. Right here may be enough. If you want to try the fullest expression, lengthening up and out through the toes. One more breath. Slowly coming down and releasing. And we'll switch. I'm shifting my weight over to the left. Reaching the right arm through, interlacing the hands. I'm nice and strong through my left leg, and then I'm going to inhale, rise. Each side has different sensations, and that's okay. Opening through the shoulders, fixing your gaze, and when you're ready, we'll open up. One more breath. Softly release. Coming back to our standing posture. Hands to heart center. Closing the eyes. In what ways can you invite in more balance, more ease, more flow into your life on and off the mat? Let this flow be a constant reminder that it's all a practice. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. Thank you.